Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to make movement code in C# for a 2D game in Unity. First, you need to create a new script, name it player movement, then attach it to your player object. Make sure your player object has rigid body and box collider 2D. Then open the script in your editor and add the following code. This code will allow you to move your player object using keys or WASD keys. You can adjust the speed variable in the inspector to change how fast the player moves. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something useful. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Bye.